Hello everyone, my name is Grayson Bolt, and this video today will be explaining the method by which I decided to design my billboard. During the design process, I fought with a number of different grid systems and played with a few different banner types trying to see if I could frame my message in a way that seemed more clear. However, after taking a step back, I realized that I needed to let the image speak for itself. And that is why I decided to step away from the usage of any form of banner or grid, as these elements took attention away from what the main focus of the design is intended to be. By taking a more minimalist approach to my design, the image itself was able to establish its own visual hierarchy. And as a result, it also formed a natural way for the eye to track the image. As far as text color is concerned, I realized that there needed to be a reason for your eyes to track to the different text boxes. I chose to use black in the top left corner, as it creates a sort of gravity or mass that wouldn't normally be associated with the sky. The same concept can be applied to the text in the bottom right, but in reverse. White is often associated with a lack of mass or weight, and by putting that color in front of an object that has lots of mass and weight causes for plenty of contrast, and as a result your eye can be drawn that way. But the visual weighting of the text is done in a way that it doesn't fully draw your attention away from the awe-inspiring image itself. My goal with the actual text itself was to fall in line with the minimalist approach. Keeping sentences short and to the point allows the audience to easily understand the information that is trying to be given, without taking attention away from the call to action. The simple question, where do you escape, is the portion of the text that is intended to pull the most attention, and when it is paired with the image, it causes the reader to ponder to themselves on where they might like to go in order to escape the burdens of everyday life. I chose this picture from my personal photos to be used as my background, because I felt that it truly captivates the idea that nature can be an escape, and I think that it shows how nature has the ability to help one escape the confinement of their own mind. Also because its many colors and depths created a pre-established visual hierarchy that helped establish the form for the rest of the image's components. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed my billboard design.